So today I'm going to show you how you can make creme brulee. There's no tempering of eggs and no risk of a curdle texture thanks to the temperature control technology. There's so much you can do in the sous vide. My husband's even pot set yogurt in it. Just jump online and search sous vide recipes for more inspiration. So let's get cooking. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is pop some water into the ceramic pot. I've pre-measured 1.5 litres of water because I'm not going to fully submerge my mason pots. Then you'll secure the lid and insert the temperature probe. Okay, so we're going to turn the unit on and select sous vide mode. Select our temperature or set our temperature at 85 degrees for this recipe. And we're going to press the timer, and it's already pre-programmed for 1 hour, which is what we need. And we hit the start button. Now it won't actually start until we've reached the desired temperature. To make the custard, you'll need 5 large egg yolks at room temperature, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And you want to beat that for about 2 minutes until the mixture is nice and light in colour. So after 2 minutes of whisking, your batter should look like this. Now you want to start incorporating 2 cups of heavy cream into the mixture. And then I like to pop it through a sieve just to ensure there's a nice smooth consistency. So now it's time to slowly pour the custard into each mason jar, leaving about 1 centimetre from the top. So once all the jars are filled, you'll want to leave them aside for 15 to 20 minutes so that any air bubbles can dissipate. Pop the lid on each jar and twist it gently until fingertip tight. This will keep water out whilst allowing any air to escape. So once the target temperature of 85 degrees has been reached, the unit will beep, and it's from that moment that the timer will start counting down. So pop each mason jar into the water bath, pop the lid on and secure with the locking wires. So the creme brulee have been in the unit for almost an hour, and when that hour is up, the unit will beep, letting us know that the cooking time is complete. Remove each mason jar from the water bath. Remove the lids and allow it to cool for 30 minutes. So after reaching room temperature, I actually popped these in the fridge for a further 4 hours, or you can pop them in overnight to set. Now to get the crunch on top, what you'll need to do is spread about 1 teaspoon of sugar on top of each creme brulee, and using a kitchen blowtorch, melt the sugar until it caramelizes. So there you go, creme brulee made in our wonderful new sous vide. I'm going to pass it on to my daughter Charlie, who's going to do the taste testing. I'm going to see if we get that all-important crack. Oh, well, yum. Have a taste. How is it? Is it good? Excellent. There you go. Tick of approval.